Hello boss, I've gotten a Note 5.
Which one is Note 5?
A Note 5, the new Note 5, sir.
I told you to get me the Camon X Pro, and all you could do is to get me a Note 5. You cannot adhere to simple instructions anymore. What is wrong with you?
Sir, this is the latest device available in the market today. I believe you should give this one a try.
I don't want it. That's a Note 5, I don't want it.
Sir, you're getting it all wrong. This is the latest device from Infinix. This is not the Note 5 Samsung released 3 years ago. This is the Infinix Note 5 they just released recently. So I believe you should give this one a try.
It better be so, because if not, you're dead with my money. Since you cannot adhere to simple instructions.
Sir, from reviews I've seen online and from the shop I got it too, they said I should go for this.
Give it to me, my friend.
Hey guys, it's Fred again, and this is my Note 5 review. So, after using this device for about a week now, I have to say I've noticed so many things about this device, and it's high time I give you my thoughts about this device. But before I begin, please kindly hit that subscribe button to join the family, and turn on the bell icon so you get notifications when a new video drops. First off, I'm going to start with the design and build quality. This is a well thought out design, and the execution is pretty amazing. Some people might not like the plastic back cover. As for me, I don't mind as long as it helps keep the price competitive. The build quality is nice at this price point. It feels compact and even more so than last year Note 4. So when it comes to design and build quality, it is very satisfying. If you make a shiny and attractive device, everyone will flock to it. So Infinix understand this better, and that is what they've done to the Note 5 here. They took design cues from Tecno Phantom 8 and other brands as well. At the back of the device is where you find the 12 megapixels camera with dual flash and a fingerprint scanner. Taking a page from the Camon X Pro, Infinix laid all the buttons on the right hand side of the phone, including the SIM tray. Then at the bottom of the device is where you see the speaker grill, the charging ports and the headphone jack. On top of the device you have nothing. Then on the front side of the phone houses a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a single flash. Now let's talk about the display. The phone has a 6-inch display with a 18.9 aspect ratio, which translates to 2160 by 1080p resolution, which is quite nice on a phone like this, outputting 480 pixels per inch density. Moving on to performance, the Note 5 has a Helio P23 MediaTek processor that is clocked at 2.0 GHz and paired with a 3GB of RAM. Then on the GPU side, it's nothing but a Mali G71 that is handling all the graphics activities. The Android One OS, which Infinix installed on this device, makes everything buttery smooth. No matter what you do on this phone, the experience stays smooth with minimal lag or no lag at all. App navigation, launching of apps and minimal gaming stays smooth all the time. So performance wise, it is very acceptable, all thanks to Android One experience. Now this is the part that interests me the most. Infinix did some changes to the camera hardware by giving the rear camera a 12 megapixels camera only. But it turns out that the sensor utilizes a 1.25 micron, which is quite large and capable of taking better pictures with good details. Then on the front side, the camera is a 16 megapixels capable of taking low light selfie with decent result. The images I took has some good details to it, good contrast, and the exposure was handled properly with the rear camera. The major problem with the device is the selfie camera. Colors are not done properly. Though it has good details, but it tends to oversaturate the image, resulting in brownish looking pictures. That is just my only grip with the front facing camera. Other than that, every other thing is okay. Then the battery life. The battery on this thing lasts forever. It's a 4500 mAh battery, and Infinix said to last for 3 days. Trust me, they are not lying. Coupled with a lighter version of Android, which is the Android One that is preloaded on this device, it manages everything effectively, and I have to say a big thank you to Infinix for what they've done here. So at 62,000 naira, I highly recommend this device to anyone. It has all the bells and whistles you expect from a modern smartphone. It has a good camera, a better OS of choice, good optimization in almost every department, good battery life, and above all, it is priced properly. So thank you, Fred, for getting me this device. Guys, share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video. Share the video as well to help someone make a buying decision. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.